Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Satish Tavde. Basically, I'm the plastic and mechanical engineer. I start from my career from the Windsor India Limited. That's company is manufacturing the injection molding machines and all these things. And then Godrej, Birla, Mark Electronics. So most of the span time I spend in Godrej and Boys. So in that company, when I was working as a production executive, so I was doing the production planning, quality and maintenance, such kind of part I was handling. So most of the project we have done, like the increase the productivity, increase the quality, reduction the manpower, then some lean manufacturing we have done. But when I have done, I was doing this project, so it was a direct one-shot solution. We have not gone through the DMAC methodology, Six Sigma. And at that time, there was not awareness about the Six Sigma and all these things. So we did not know, we just doing the project, just do it like that. But we got the benefited so much, like the clubbing the activities and reduction the manpower, some low cost automation we are introduced. Okay, so we got the benefit. But when we joined the Merck Electronics company, the company having the Six Sigma culture, then I come to know that what is the means. At same time, I have done the project from the Six Sigma benchmark. So this way of teaching means which specific tools you have to use for the which particular application. Because what happens every time you need not to use the every tools, each and every tools in Six Sigma. It is based on the what are the scope ability, what are your culture. Even though you must be know some of the tools, simple tools, you can do the project also. So when I joined, so my process owner they told me, if you want to select the project in particular organization, you have to find which is the pain area. Pain area, in fact, in which hamper your productivity, quality, or your business. So when I gone through this process, so my process owner told me there is some major bottleneck in our which hamper our productivity and quality is the mode changeover time. Mode changeover time is too high. Because of that, we are not able to meet the schedule, and because of that, productivity get lost. So we have taken this project. I don't know how many you know the injection molding this process. Injection molding basically the plastic molding process. You have to load the mold, and then you have to process setting and all this in mold setting. And once you put the granules in the hoppers, once in this granules used to melt, and this goes into punch and cavity. So whatever the gap in between the punch and cavity, the article is formed. So our company manufacturing the TV manufacturing company. So we identify the projects, then we form the teams. We form the team members, those having the process knowledge, and those can collect the baseline data. Later on, we have done a lot of projects like the reduce the rejection level of the molding components. Then you can improve the skill matrix of your employee person. So this total way of change totally change. Okay, and means this current scenario, Six Sigma is very much required in each and every organization. Otherwise, we are not going to survive. Right now, I've done the black belt, then I'll be plan for the master black belt through the benchmark. They used to do the exercise and case studies, which are the real problems facing in the company. That exercise they get it done in this program, black belt, with the help of Minitab. That is very useful. So that experience I've been. In fact, so many friends are recommended to join the Six Sigma. They have done their green belt also, black belt course also. But as per my point of view, my opinion, Six Sigma is a very powerful tool. As a company point of view, also professional point of view also, and looking forward towards your careers. That is and Six Sigma always striving for the best. So wish you all the best. But only my suggestion is that don't do only training, do the projects. Then you come to know that importance of the Six Sigma. Okay, so wish you all the best.